If you own, operate, or manage a commercial or industrial building with roller shutters, you have legal obligations, whether you know about them or not. Ignorance of the law is no defense, and in this case, the consequences of non-compliance can range from insurance invalidation to prosecution. I'm Melanie from HVP Security Shutters. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the key UK regulations that apply to roller shutters, what they require, and why choosing the right installer is just as important as choosing the right product. Let's start with why this matters. Roller shutters are classified as machinery under UK law. As a business owner, employer, or facilities manager, the responsibility for ensuring your shutters are compliant sides with you. Not with the manufacturer, not with the installer, with you. That means if something goes wrong and your shutters aren't compliant, your business faces potential fines, legal prosecution, and insurance that won't pay out. So what are the key regulations? The first is the Supply of Machinery Safety Regulations 2008. This requires that any new electrically operated roller shutter is designed, manufactured, and installed to be safe, with a full risk assessment completed and all required safety mechanisms in place. The second is the product standard BSEN 13241. This is the primary technical standard for powered doors and shutters. It sets out specific requirements including safety edges and photocells to prevent the shutter closing on an obstruction, safety brakes to stop the curtain falling in the event of a motor failure, manual override systems for use during power cuts, and emergency stop functions. Linked to this is CE marking and the Declaration of Performance. Every compliant roller shutter must carry a CE mark and be accompanied by a declaration of performance detailing its specific characteristics. If a shutter lacks CE marking or a declaration of performance, it is illegal to manufacture, sell, or install in the UK, full stop. Third, the Workplace Health, Safety and Welfare Regulations 1992 and PURE, the Provision and Use of Work Equipment Regulations 1998. Together, these place a legal duty on employers to ensure powered shutters are maintained in efficient working order, with safety systems regularly tested and a maintenance log kept up to date. Now, fire shutters carry additional requirements. The Regulatory Reform Fire Safety Order 2005 places responsibility on the building's responsible person to ensure fire shutters are correctly installed and maintained. The product standard BSEN 16034 governs how fire shutters are tested and certified, specifying integrity ratings such as E30 or E60 and insulation ratings where required. Critically, fire shutters must include a gravity fail-safe mechanism that closes the shutter automatically on fire alarm activation or power loss. If that mechanism fails, the shutter fails. All of this brings us to the most important point. A CE marked, fully compliant shutter can still be dangerous if it is installed incorrectly. Not all companies fit shutters to the required standard. And if an accident occurs after a poor installation, your business carries the legal exposure, not the installer. At HVP, we are ISO 9001 certified, Constructionline Gold accredited, and DHF members. We provide full installation documentation, maintenance records, and compliance certificates on every project. That paperwork is not a formality. It is your legal protection. Call us on 01392270218 or visit hvpshutters.co.uk. Get it right from the start.